Let's look at example 5.4.1. Let x be a multiple of 3. Okay, so if x is a multiple of 3, can you express the next two multiples of 3 in terms of x? So take note, let's say the first, I'll give you some example. If the first multiple is 3, I'm just saying if, okay, so you will have 3. What is the next multiple? You will realize that it's 6, and then after 6 it will be 9. Okay, so note the pattern there. What is the difference between 3 and 6? And what's the difference between 6 and 9? So now I hope that you managed to get the answer. So to get from 3 to 6 is actually plus 3. And from 6 to 9 is actually plus 3 again. So this is how you can get your next two multiples of 3 in terms of x. Okay, so the next two multiples are x plus 3 and then x plus 6. Because over here you realize to get 9 from 3 is actually a 3 plus, okay, let me just write it down for you. It is actually 3 plus 6 in order to get 9. Okay, now let's look at B. If the sum of 3 consecutive multiples, okay, so take note of the words 3 consecutive multiples. Okay, the meaning of consecutive multiples means that one after another. So an example will be 3, 6, 9. They are 3 consecutive multiples of 3. Okay, just that over here, if you were to add 3 plus 6 plus 9, you won't get the 99. So the answer for here, the 3 multiples are definitely not 3, 6, and 9. Okay, so coming back to B again, if the sum of the 3 consecutive multiples of 3 is 99, write down without simplifying the equation in terms of x. Okay, so just now the first multiple of x is actually, the first multiple of 3 is x as given in the question. Okay, so let me show you. The next part is, what is the second multiple of 3? Actually, the next two multiples we have also answered in A, so you just have to fill this in. Okay, these are the next two. So over here, you have the sum of the 3 consecutive multiples, and they give you 99. So this is the equation that is required of you. Okay, in C, solve this equation and find the 3 consecutive multiples of 3. So you rewrite this equation again, x plus bracket x plus 3 plus x plus 6 equals to 99. Okay, so next step, we need to open up all the brackets and add up all the like terms as well as add up all the numerical terms. Okay, so let me show you the next step. Therefore, we have 3x plus 9 equals to 99. We want to keep 3x on the left hand side, so get rid of 9 by subtracting both sides by 9. You get 3x equals to 90. Next, I just want to have x, so you have x equals to 30. Now, the question is asking for the 3 consecutive multiples of 3. So if I were to only give x equals to 30, I am not answering the question yet. Okay, therefore, over here, you see that I need to answer that the 3 consecutive multiples of 3 are 30, and then 30 plus 3, which gives you 33, after which, okay, you have 36. Okay, could you just change here for me? It should be the 3 consecutive multiples, because more than one. Alright, so that's all for this example.